Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing a jumbo sausage roll by the Wrights Group. Now this company's been in business for a very long time. It's been supplying pies up and down the country. Wherever you think you can't see them, they're there. Believe me. Supermarkets, corner shops, you name it, they supply it. So today we're taking their sausage rolls and we're going to strip it back and have a look at it and try it out and see what I actually think and give it my results out of 10. I do sell this product in my shop, large and small, but there again, I sell about 20 different sausage rolls in my shop. This is just one of the products I sell as well. So if you've known me for a while, you know exactly what I do with these. I strip them back and then I remake them on the channel and show you guys how to make them. But interesting enough, I've already previously made a sausage roll. It's in a link up here, or it could be up there, or it's in a link in the description. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. Then let's see what's in the box. Yes, we've got something in the box today. It's a sausage roll. Now this sausage roll weighs in at 160 grams. So this is a good size sausage roll. It's got 19% meat. Now that's not a bad percentage. Now if you check one of my videos up there, now you'll see in that recipe we made either 90 or 98% meat. So mine were quite meaty. So what is actually the other percentage? Well, basically you'll find that that is full of rusk. And nothing wrong with rusk. Rusk is just made up of like breadcrumbs and bits and pieces they find knocking around, spices, salt, you name, it's all put in. And what that rusk does, you can put lots and lots of water into it and it expands. So once it expands, you add that to the meat and then you've got your sausage roll. So you think you're getting a lot of meat in it, but in fact you're getting a lot of rusk and a very small amount of meat. But that's not a bad thing because it's all down to the taste at the end of the day. Now you can see this is a puff pastry and you can see they've actually made it really well. Then this company does manufacture thousands and thousands of pies every day of the week. Now the cooking instructions for this, you want to be putting it in an oven at around 200 Celsius. That's a fan assisted, and you bake it for around about 20 to 25 minutes. So I suppose there's no getting around it. Let's get it in the oven. The sausage roll's ready. You can see that's a lovely looking sausage roll. It's got a nice golden brown on the top and it's not blown out or anything. So let's just cut her open and have a look. That does look the business. So we'll have a close up. Now that does look a nice sausage roll. You can see it's nicely baked. And the inside, okay, it does look a bit pink, but that's what it's supposed to look like. What makes it pink is the rusk. So the important part of the sausage roll is what's the pastry like. Let's try a bit of the pastry first. Once again, the same as the previous review I did, it's got this, there's something in there that sticks to the back of your mouth, and usually in the trade that would be described as the puff pastry. Now what it is like the margarine or whatever they've used in it, and it sort of gives that like thing at the back of your neck. That's just telling me something straight away. If it's like that, usually you find it's a bit of a cheaper blend of puff pastry. That's not a bad thing because that keeps your price down. The pastry is the only thing that's holding the sausage roll together really. Now, the taste itself, it's not very salty. Once again, I think you'll find that the salt is most likely in the product. And that's usually the way they do things these days. Usually the outer casing is usually the one that's got less salt in, and then they put it in the filling itself. So we'll go in for the full Monty and let's see. It's not bad. Oh, go on, I'm going to say it. It tastes like a sausage roll. I had to go there, didn't I? So let's have a look at this meat, or rusks. What's it actually like? We'll try it as it is, the rusk and the meat. It's got that sausage meat flavour, but what's coming out in it, some peppers, and you can taste the spices in it. So there's quite a few bits of spices in there. And also, it's very greasy. So the pastry don't look that bad, but the sausage itself does look quite greasy. But then you don't want it too dry, otherwise you'll pop it in your mouth and say, oh, that's dry. So it's not that bad. So I can sum this up quite quickly. The pastry is just normal puff pastry, nothing fancy. It's the type of pastry you normally get with a sausage roll. Pretty basic. And once again, the filling is pretty much a basic filling for sausage rolls. And that sausage stuff there, I can tell you now, any Tom, Dick or Granny could make that. That is dead simple. It's not that exciting, to tell you the truth. It's just a really nice sausage roll, and that's all I can say about it. But it doesn't sing my praises because it's not got that, what I call the meaty bit in it. To me, it's a bit like quite a bland sausage roll in one respect, because it's like everybody else's sausage roll. If you put these in a lineup, you wouldn't be able to tell this from another sausage roll. And I hate to say it, there's other companies out there that are probably a lot better than this. But that doesn't mean to say it's a bad thing, because value for money. Because when I do my points, I work on the fact is the value of what it costs and economics of everything. So the whole package together, it's a reasonable sausage roll to resell. Customers love them because they're not that dear to buy. So if they were expensive sausage rolls, you'd be paying more for them. But that is not a bad sausage rolls for the money. So, how I see it, I think I'm going to give that a good solid 7 out of 10 because it is pretty basic sausage roll. Nothing to sing home about, and I have tasted better. That's not putting the product down. It's still a lovely product. You need to go and try one. Once again, this is a Wrights Jumbo Sausage Roll. It's available from the high street everywhere. If you've tried one of these white sausage rolls, just tell us what you think about it in the comments below. I'm always interested to see what you guys think about it, because I know what I think about it. And if I was out and about in the countryside and I wanted a nice hot sausage roll and I had that, that'd be absolutely lovely. With a nice cup of coffee, spot on. If you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!